Okay, so we got this murderer's spaghetti, which is one of my new favorite dishes, and this one has burrata on top. And burrata is this creamy cheese that I forget what part of the mozzarella process, but oh my god, so good. And then we have bracciola, which is rolled up meats, and I think they have like parsley and some things inside the meat. Very good. Semolina bread with the fava. You can't see the fava mash underneath, but there's a fava mash. And then we've got this beautiful salad again with burrata and almonds. And we are just going to dig in because we're hungry. And we didn't realize how hungry we were until we got here and saw this amazing stuff. Dig in, guys. Okay, I just had a bite of this and it is crazy. With the burrata on it, it just turns into a creamy sauce, a little bit crispy. And oh my gosh, you guys, you got to come to Hostaria. Okay, there you have it, guys. This was really good.